Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 17-inch split 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. A dark wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Inside we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C300 4MATIC has 20,073 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.